My engine is filled with Royal Enfield liquid gun 15W50 engine oil. It is a semi-synthetic engine oil which Enfield recommends. According to user manual, lube oil change interval is 10,000 km. But in contradiction, the service center people always insisted on changing the engine oil at 5,000 km.
I have always changed the oil in my engine at 5,000 km. But this time I wanted to do an experiment. I wanted to see how the oil holds up beyond 5,000 km. So right now this lube oil is running at 7,000 km plus. The engine has become very noisier, vibration has increased, and gear shifting has become clunky. Also, one thing to be noted, whenever I push the bike beyond 100 kmph, a sharp metallic sound comes from the engine.
First, start the engine for a few minutes to warm up the lube oil. This will facilitate the easy draining. To drain the lube oil, we have to open this nut. This is a 21 mm nut, and to check the oil strainer, we'll have to open this cover with 8 mm nuts. I will not open this cover this time. I'll only drain the lube oil. This is my draining bucket, and put a oil guide like this to stop, to guide it properly. Now to drain the oil, I'll open up this nut. There is this copper washer. Be careful of it, don't lose it in the lube oil. Now to fill up the oil, we will have to go to the other side of the bike. We will have to open this cap, and through this the oil will be poured. I am going to use Motul 5100 15W50 semi-synthetic oil this time. It is supposed to be better than the Royal Enfield one. We'll see after riding it 2,000 to 3,000 km. After pouring 1 liter oil, the side glass shows this level. After pouring 1.6 liter, the side glass oil level looks like this. Now this is how you should do your oil change. Now we'll have to ride and check how the immediate changes are filled.